Welcome to Vishwa, a one-of-a-kind global forest nestled near the iconic Statue of Unity in Ekta Nagar. This isn't just a garden, it's a journey across continents, a celebration of life, and a living symbol of unity in diversity. Conceptualized under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Vishwa reflects a powerful idea: unity in biodiversity. Spread across 2 hectares, this global forest brings together the essence of all 7 continents in one place. Vishwa showcases plant species from all 7 continents of the world. 7 uniquely designed gardens represent each continent, crafted in their geographical shapes and bordered with colors inspired by the Olympic rings. The aim is simple yet powerful: to spread awareness about biogeography in an engaging and immersive way. As your journey begins in Australia, the world opens with the towering Schefflera actinophylla, the octopus tree, its vast canopy reaching outward like living motion. Standing beside eucalyptus and graceful foxtail palms, Europe unfolds next, quiet and ancient, where the pencil pine rises like a timeless guardian, living for centuries alongside hardy conifer species adapted to colder climates. Moving into Asia, the landscape reflects deep-rooted traditions and biodiversity. The Chinese juniper, a resilient evergreen native to Northeast Asia, is known for its diverse forms and traditional medicinal uses, symbolizing endurance and adaptability. Alongside it, peepal, tulsi, and rudraksh represent plants deeply woven into faith and everyday life. Then comes Africa, bold and untamed. The legendary baobab, the tree of life, stands in silence, storing water within its massive trunk, while the dragon tree bleeds its ancient red resin and the bottom palm rises like sculpted stone. The dragon tree, a North African species, is classified as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List, with declining populations due to harvesting of its medicinal resin known as dragon's blood. South America follows with tropical rhythm, where the cannonball tree blooms in sacred beauty, and pampas grass moves with the wind like a soft, endless wave. In North America, nature turns textured and wild. The sandpaper vine, rough to touch, and the prehistoric rough horsetail, a living memory of Earth's earliest landscapes. And finally, Antarctica, silent, frozen, eternal, where stone-like terrain and artistic representations of penguins and marine life recreate a world untouched, ending the journey in stillness and wonder. Vishwa is about more than just plants. It's about the people who live alongside them. The ancient philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is one family, truly comes to life here through traditional architecture. You can explore the Fiji Bure, a humble island hut made of wood and straw. Nearby is the Bali House, a marvel of climate-responsive design that stays naturally cool in the heat. From the Maloka House of the Amazon tribes to the elegant Asian pagoda, these structures remind us that while our homes look different, our need for shelter and harmony is universal. So, before you leave, capture your moments with the world's tallest statue in the backdrop. Come and feel the spirit of global unity. Experience the world in one forest. Only at Vishwa, Ekta Nagar.